How's it going, everyone? Paul McGovern Jr. here, shooting some b-ball. Just finished some work, finished some editing. This is my 30 minutes, hour workout that I try to do every day. Basketball is a lot easier of a workout because you're just, shooting hoops, you're messing around, you're nothing new, too crazy, too time intensive. So we make this right here. No. But right now I've actively been working on cutting some vertical videos, which is the new thing now, is everything's got to be vertical, which is annoying because you shoot it all horizontally. And then you work with a producer, a collaborator, and they're like, well, let's all make it vertical. Because everyone's watching things on TikTok and Reels, which actually brought me to a question of why I wanted to make this video. Was how are you guys absorbing your content these days? Is it all through TikTok, Reels, Shorts, YouTube Shorts? Will you still just, watch things on your TV? Are you guys watching things on Netflix, Hulu? Whatever you're watching things on, let me know, because I'm curious the things I'm making, if it makes sense to start just shooting vertically, for other clients and for other producers and stuff. Because a lot of times we're shooting things horizontally and then it just ends up being kind of wonky because we try to cram it into a vertical format. Right now my head would be all tight and cramped because I have so many beautiful sides on the shot, which creatively it does limit you because you don't have the flexibility to work with the frame. But the vertical frame is just what's in now. That's what everyone's watching. So it could be the future. Maybe it's a fad. I don't know. So I was curious for you guys. So that's my question of the day to pose for my subscribers. Anybody that's watching this, do you guys watch your content more vertically on TikTok and Reels now, Shorts, or do you still watch horizontal videos like this one? So leave you with that. Also, just how's your day going? I'm chilling, shooting some hoops, relaxing, all maxing. All right, so this isn't a good look because I'm missing a lot of shots. But just know that I can make a lot of shots, which I'll highlight by a vertical video here at the end. But hopefully everyone's having a good one. I do the big announcements coming out soon with Michael Henry in the next week or so. I thought it was gonna be today, but I guess it's a little bit longer. So it's really exciting. It's something that I've been working on for the last 8 months. So it's actively been being worked on and still working on today. And so stay tuned for that because it's gonna be really fun. And it's gonna be a lot of content dropping on Michael's channel, on a certain channel on Instagram, and on a certain TV channel, which you'll hear about soon. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. As always, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, week, night, and I'll see you in the next one.